Okay, good morning everybody, and my name is Dr. Joseph Raja, and I'll be taking your chemistry course today as well as for the next 4 days. Now, I take it that you have printed out the notes of the questions, certainly for the section 1. Basically, the content over the 5 days has been divided into three separate sections. Today, we will begin by looking at a lot of things to do with electron configurations, shapes of molecules, things that affect ionic radius, atomic radius, ionization energies, looking at the comparative sizes and stabilities of ions, the types of questions you answer with those, and also beginning on molecular forces. Then I will give you some homework questions relating to today's work. And then a continuation of that is in section 2, which have again more questions to check your understanding, but on those same materials. And then the section 3, which deals with the thermal properties section and the section on heats of formation, molar heats of vaporization, enthalpy change calculations, bond enthalpies, and again relating those to intermolecular forces, which is the content of this entire unit. When going through this material, I will not only just look at how we write down the answers, but also looking at the wording of the questions. These questions have been worded exactly as they were in some of your past examinations. And so to look at the type of things that they wanted to see in your model answers, so you get used to structuring your answers that way. By the way, when I go through things here, it's only a small group of you. So at any time, please feel free to stop me and ask a question if something is not perfectly clear. And I will clear that up because often your question will also be of benefit to others in the classroom. So you're not holding up anything at all. Sometimes if I'm in the middle of making a certain point or I know that the answer to the question that you asked is just about to come up, then I might just tell you to wait a few minutes and then see whether that's cleared up and take your question after that. Let's begin then by starting off with, so the notes for the other sections will be there later on this evening, your time, and you can download it and print it, and then you'd have the materials that we'll be using for the entire 5 days of the course.